So today we got some more goodies for the interior of the C63. First off, we're going to start with installing the 3D projectors on the driver and passenger front door. So what they're going to do is replace the stock door lights, still give you that OEM look, but project down onto the ground the AMG logo with the Mercedes star. Now there is a few different designs of these that you can pick up. You can just get them to say Mercedes, have the star, AMG logo. Anything you want, they pretty well have. I went with the Mercedes star with the AMG logo on the bottom. You'll get to see that here real soon. After they're installed, we're going to move on to installing the paddle shifter extenders. I'll show you right now. So that's those there. So we will be installing the paddle shifter extenders today as well, installing the 3D projectors. As you can see, just replaces the stock light. Pretty well OEM except with this extended bump out, which has the projector inside. So it shouldn't be too bad. These are plug and play. This should be a real quick install, as well as the paddle shifter extenders. They are just double-sided tape. Goes right over the stock paddle shifter. So again, this should be a quick, easy DIY install as well. So we'll get started on that. After these are installed, I got a very special package that arrived there for the C63 just a few days ago. So super excited to get that opened up. I'll do the unboxing on camera, show you what we got for this thing. It's been something I've been wanting to get for quite some time for this beast. So let's get to work and get these things installed. Alright guys, so we're here on the passenger front door. This is the stock light that we will be removing and replacing with that 3D projector. So normally to get these out, you'd want those plastic trim removal tools. You don't want to damage the original light or the door panel. Sadly, I did forget my trim removal tools at home, so we're going to have to do this very carefully. I got a little pry tool, hoping to do it with my hands as well. So all you want to do is try to get in behind the light, just like that, and you're going to try to pull out towards yourself. Now they are in there pretty good. Again, help from a trim removal tool would be the best. That is just the lens for the light, not a big deal. We'll set that aside. And now we can pull it out just like that. I'm going to put that lens back on. As you can see, it just clicked on like that. Now on the back, there's a little push pin on this black clip that plugs into the gray. You want to depress that and pull. Simple as that. Now let me go grab the replacement 3D projector one. I'll be right back. Okay guys, we're back here. I just went over and grabbed the new projector. This is a replacement one. They are labeled left and right. And the original OEM clip plugs right in. So like I said, it is a plug and play. Nice and easy, quick modification for the vehicle. So you just want to line up the clips, make sure everything's plugging in straight. You don't want to bend any of the pins. Push that in until the pin clicks. At that point, you're ready to go. Now the reason the light isn't on is the door has been open for too long and the vehicle has turned off the lights. But you can see this replacement light has the clips on both ends of the housing. Just put it in straight, apply even pressure on both sides, and it'll click right into place. As you can see, it's nice OEM design versus the OEM light there. The only difference is it does have that bump out for the projector that's inside. Now it is a bit bright in here, it is daytime, so it may be hard to see. I'll apply this here, we'll try to get you a look at it. So you can see there it has the Mercedes star as well as the AMG logo on the bottom. So I'm installing these on the front passenger and front driver's door only. They'll be the doors that are mostly used, though I don't really have people in the back too often. But you can see at nighttime this is going to show a real nice projected image down onto the ground. So I'll take some footage tonight once it does darken down and show you what it really looks like. Alright, move on to the driver's door. Alright guys, we're over on the front driver's door now. So it's going to be exactly the same thing. All we're going to do is try to pry this off. So again, the plastic tools are the way to go. But I'm in a bit of a pinch today, so I'm going to try to make this work. You just want to go very slow. Don't apply too much pressure in one spot. And as you can see, it just pops out, just like that. The same thing as the passenger door, there's the same style clip. Just want to depress that and pull straight out. Simple as that. Now set that aside, take out your new projector light. All you're going to do is line up the clip. Once that's lined up, push it in until that clicks in. That way there's no way for that wire to come off. And as you can see, the light is working. The projector's lighting up as well. So same Mercedes star with the AMG logo. You want to put that in nice and straight and apply even pressure on both sides until it clicks in. I'm super excited with how this looks so far. Nice, clear, quality image. Not bad. Alright guys, let's move on to the paddle shifter. To do the installation of the extended paddle shifters, of course you're going to need your extended paddle shifters. I will have the link down below of these ones that I purchased. They are really nice quality aluminum, powder coated black. They do have different colors. They do have the etched minus sign for downshift, plus sign for the upshift side. So what you're going to need for installation is either a heat gun or a hair dryer. If it's a little cold, I do recommend a heat gun or a hair dryer anyways. It helps get the double-sided tape to stick better. Some rubbing alcohol with a rag or microfiber cloth to clean the surface before you stick these on. So we got everything we need. We're going to set up the camera in the vehicle and we'll get these installed. So we're inside the vehicle here now. So the very first thing we're going to want to do is clean the surface that we're going to be attaching the paddle shifters to. So the back side of the original paddle shifters. So you got your plus side, minus side. We're going to use some rubbing alcohol on this microfiber cloth. You don't need a whole lot, just a little bit. You want to rub and clean the back side of these. You want to make sure you get any residue oils off from your fingers, otherwise the double-sided tape will not stick. So now that they're clean, you're all ready to install the paddle shifter extenders. Once you are ready to install the paddle shifter extender, you just want to remove the backing paper. Now this is double-sided tape, you don't want to touch that. That is what's going to hold this on. Again, I like to heat it up. Now you're ready to put it on. You're just going to line it up with the original paddle shifter. You want to make sure it's aligned before you push any pressure on it. Now that it's lined up, apply pressure on the back side and hold for about 30 seconds. Okay guys, so that's the right side paddle shifter extender installed. We're going to move on to the left side here now. So same thing, we're going to heat up the back side of the original paddle shifter. Remove the backing tape on the 3M double-sided tape. Heat it up a little bit and then install. Make sure you line it up before you apply any pressure. Once you apply pressure, hold it for about 30 seconds and you're good to go. Alright guys, as easy as that. Both paddle shifter extenders are installed. I think they look fantastic. Something you can do within 30 minutes to transform the look of your car. You can't beat it. Thank you very much for watching guys. I appreciate the support. Make sure you hit that like button and hit subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one.